Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to upload designs on Behance. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and log into your account. Secondly, what you're going to do, you're going to see right here, share your work. You can go ahead right here and build a project, completely case study, service, work in progress, or limit. So sorry, let me go back to the exact window, right? So let me log in again, right? And then I'm gonna, after I log in with my account, of course, I'm gonna be able to actually access my account. And after I log in, you're gonna see the same thing that I that I showed you before, which is, let me go here and go to the official website. Basically, after you log in, you're gonna be able right here to see share your work, and then basically you're gonna see a pop-up window of sharing your project. So we're gonna click the project right here, right? And then basically you're gonna be able to see how to share your project. You can upload your image, text, photo grid, or video and audio, embed, Lightroom, prototype, 3D. So you can upload your projects, right, or designs on Behance. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.